Hey guys, welcome to One Place PT's shoulder guide. Today we are focusing on rebuilding shoulder mobility after an injury. Whether it's from a fall, a sports injury, lifting something too heavy overhead, I'll take you through the 4 key movements to safely and effectively rebuild your range of motion after injury. Our first movement today is forward reaching or shoulder flexion. Use a bar or countertop. Slowly move away from the bar until you feel a stretch. If you want more of a stretch, you can tilt your body down for more flexion. You can use your other arm underneath the elbow for more assistance. Next is behind the back reaching. This involves extension and internal rotation to reach behind the back. You can use a belt or strap and tie it to a door or another handle. You'll grab the handle with your affected side and rotate away from the affected shoulder. This will generate a stretch with extension and combined internal rotation to provide you a functional movement pattern that is identical to the actual movement. The third movement is reaching behind the head. This involves abduction and external rotation. This is a crucial daily task for combing your hair or reaching to the backside of your shoulder. Sit down in a chair, use a PVC pipe or cane, and externally rotate your shoulder along the axis of your elbow. Go until you feel a stretch or slight discomfort. Finally, we have a lateral reach or abduction. This is used for reaching out to the side and for many sport-related activities like tennis and pickleball. Take the PVC pipe or cane and push your arm out to the side with your thumb facing up. Assist in the movement until you feel a stretch or slight discomfort. Thanks for following along. These are 4 great exercises for restoring shoulder range of motion. Please comment below if you have any specific questions, and of course, like and subscribe our page. Thanks so much.